Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change battery icon emoji on Android phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've ever wanted to customize your battery icon and make your phone's status bar look more unique, this method will help you do exactly that. So, in order to change your battery icon on any phone using a completely free method, you have to follow these steps. The battery indicator can be changed, resized, recolored, or even swapped with emoji style designs, giving your device a fun, personalized look that stands out from the default system UI. I'll walk you through how to customize your status bar in a simple and secure way that works on nearly all Android devices. Right now, my status bar still has the basic battery icon, so the first thing I'm going to do is open the Play Store and go to the search bar and search for an app called Emoji Battery Status Bar. Once search results appear, go ahead and tap on first option. Once you've found the right app, go ahead and install it. And yes, it's completely free without any mandatory purchases. After the installation is complete, open the app and you will see this type of interface. Here, tap on Start Setup. You'll need to agree to the terms. Make sure to read all of the terms carefully as it helps you to understand the app more easily. Go ahead and agree, and then the app will guide you through the necessary permissions. It will redirect you to your phone's settings page where you may need to unlock the app and enable the status bar toggle. Tap Allow to grant access. Occasionally, the app may show an ad, but you can skip it or simply turn off your internet before opening the app to avoid ads entirely. Once permissions are enabled, return to the main app page. From here, go to Settings inside the app. Inside the settings, you will find three main options: Status Bar, Gestures, and Notch. The Status Bar section lets you customize things like the emoji battery and overall appearance of the status bar. The Gestures section allows you to assign custom actions to different gestures performed on the status bar. Lastly, the Notch option gives you additional controls related to how the notch area looks and behaves. You'll notice an option to enable a notch effect, but I personally keep it turned off since it slightly alters the screen layout. Now comes the fun part: choosing your battery icon. The app provides a wide variety of design, minimalistic icons, colorful options, emoji style indicators, and even animated versions. When you tap on any icon, it updates instantly in your status bar, so you can see exactly how it looks in real time. You can also adjust the size if you want the icon to appear larger or smaller, and there's an option to display the battery percentage alongside it. I prefer keeping the percentage on because it makes it easier to monitor the battery level at a glance. The icon library is quite extensive, and the developers usually add new styles over time, so it's worth checking back every now and then if you want to refresh your look with updated designs. The best part about this method is that everything is completely free, no premium subscription, no hidden charges, and all the customization features are fully unlocked. Once you select your preferred icon, the app automatically keeps it running in the background, ensuring your customized battery design stays active and updates accurately as your battery level changes. And that's all you need to do to transform your phone's status bar and give your device a clean, personalized feel. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change battery icon emoji on Android phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.